I've also heard a lot of talk, and this also goes back to the Microsoft OpenAI divorce or whatever it is, about achieving sentience. And our it seems to me that this is a rather bizarre quest, and I don't know how doable it is, but you previously said you had your doubts. What I mean, is there anything to that, and or is that just a distraction?
So on the human side, and this is something that Ethan Mollick was talking about as far back as 2 or 3 years ago, there is a sect within Silicon Valley in particular that has this bizarre religious quest to try to be the first lab to invent God, a superintelligence. And they actually believe that.
Right.
Put that aside. What people are after is artificial general intelligence, AGI, the ability for a model to be able to capably zero shot any given task. And here's where AGI probably is somewhat already in existence. It's not in the tools that we're using. It's not in the snapshots and the checkpoints that we get as consumers to use these tools. Where it likely is in the model training tooling itself, because as models get training data, they have to adapt to it. And so if you can build really smart algorithms like GRPO and DPO and PPO and all these different very technical back-end things, if you can do that, you can create essentially a form of reinforcement learning intelligence that adapts to whatever it's given and says, okay, here's something brand new. How do I ingest this? How do I process this? What do I do with it? How do I route it? And things. And so that's where very likely you already have some degree of AGI. It is not in what the average user is using. You're not going to have ChatGPT wake up one day and say, hey, I proactively rearranged your day for you. That's not in the cards anytime soon.